Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the GIGANOTOSAURUS versus the Indominus Rex. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our GIGANOTOSAURUS versus the Indominus Rex, let's begin with the GIGANOTOSAURUS. I'm going to start right about here and we're going to make the face. We're going to draw a little line that's going to go over and then we're going to bring this up like a sideways check mark. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come out and then back in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to come back. Then starting here, I'm going to make a couple little kind of pointed, bumpy shapes here. We're going to make a couple more that just come down. Next, I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to do that same thing. We're just going to make a couple more of these kind of bumpy, pointed lines on here. They're just going to come down like this. We're going to make lines going to come down, and then one right here is going to curve around for the nose. We're going to bring this down. Then we're going to come right up here towards the top. So it looks like he's biting down. Then we're going to make some sharp teeth coming out of here on the top. Next, we're going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down. And we're going to do a couple more of these for the back of the GIGANOTOSAURUS's head. Now, starting here, let's start with the Indominus Rex's head. So to do this, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up and then down like this in that check mark shape. Then we're going to curve this line around. We're going to add a couple little lines underneath here. We're going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down here. We'll make another little bump or two right here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down, connected here. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down. We're going to come up and then back here. Then we're going to go out. We're going to bring this down here. And then we're going to come up here and then connect it. We're going to draw a line that comes down. And then for the teeth, we're going to add some sharp pointed little triangles on here. Do it on the top and on the bottom as well. And you want to do it on both sides. Then we'll add a line that's going to go up and then down for the tongue. We'll add a little line down. And we'll add a little broken oval shape here. Then another kind of rounded broken shape over here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over and down, and we're going to connect it right here where the GIGANOTOSAURUS is biting down. Starting here, we're going to bring this line over, and we'll make another one that's going to come down. It's going to go up and up like this. Then I'm going to add a couple little curved lines here, kind of where the neck would be. Now right here, let's make a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it up here. And we'll put a couple more teeth in here for the bottom of the jaw. Or we can make a couple more little lines here. Next, we're just going to continue this down and then up. Then we can work on the arms of our Indominus Rex. Let's go ahead and bring a line down, and then a line out here. We'll add a long, sharp claw here. One right here, and then one more right here. We'll bring this line back and bring it up here. Right here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up for the body. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve it in. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to a point and back for the toe. One more down to a point. I'm going to make one more over here that's going to come up. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then in. Then I'm going to bring this line around here and just kind of curve it for the back of the leg. Now, right up here by the head of the Giganotosaurus, I'm going to draw just kind of a broken line to kind of form where the back is going to be. And then when I get to right about here, I'm going to draw a long line that's just going to curve around. Then we're going to keep it nice and skinny, and then it's going to slowly get bigger as we come back down to here. Now, over here, we're going to make that other arm. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go out. We're going to curve it to a point and back. We'll make another one here. And then one more right here. Make a line that goes over and up for the hand. Then we're going to bring this line over and then straight up towards the neck. Now, we want to make that other leg here, so all we're going to do is just draw a line that's going to come down here, and we're going to come out to a point and then back. We'll make another one that comes down to a point and up. Then we're just going to bring this leg up here. And I'll add one more little point back here. Now along the back of the Indominus Rex, I'm going to add some little spikes because he does have quite a bit, or she does have quite a bit of spikes along her back. Now that's our basic shape. Let's come on over here and finish up our Giganotosaurus. So one of the things we want to do is we're going to start right here, and we're just going to kind of continue making some bumps right along the back here for the neck. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. I'll make a little line that's going to come up and down here. Starting right about here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to come down and make a claw, and then we're going to do that 2 more times. We're going to make this come up and right into here. A couple little lines around it. Then I'll make another one right here, just a line down with 3 claws, and bring it up here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up a little bit. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then down again. Make a nice big claw that comes out. One here, and then one more right here. Then we're just going to go up, over, and curve it up. We're going to have that other leg here, so we're going to go down and come back. Then we'll come down here. We'll to bring this down to a point and one more down to a point. And we're going to bring this up and then straight up here. Next, we're going to add a couple little curved lines, and then we're going to add a line that's going to come up here for the tail. We're going to bring it back here, and then we're just going to curve it around. Then right along the back of our Giganotosaurus, we're going to add a couple little triangular spikes, and then they're going to slowly get a little bit smaller as they come down. Now we have our basic shape of both dinosaurs. Now let's come in here and add some of the different little details. So let's finish up our Giganotosaurus first. So we're going to go ahead and draw another little line right around here, kind of a broken one. And we'll do another kind of broken line right here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up and in, and then a couple more little lines over here. I'm even going to make a little broken line up here too, and a long little one here. We're going to make some little lines here. Then I like to make some little curved shapes right around here where like the knee of our dinosaur is going to be. We can add some curved lines where the claws are, and I always put an extra line or two on here for some detail. You can do that same thing on the claws up here too, with just an extra line or two. Add a couple little extra broken lines on here. And just a few more lines right around here. And we're just going to add a couple more lines here. Now, on the Indominus Rex, let's go ahead and add a couple lines right where the mouth is. A couple of lines by the eye, and some broken ones right along the top and bottom of the mouth. A couple of lines here. And then a couple little wrinkle lines by the arms. Do a couple of them here. And a couple more kind of lines right where the claws are. We'll do some curved lines right here for the hands. And just add a couple more little extra broken lines all around here, just for a lot of little extra detail. I'm going to add some long lines here, kind of where the ribs are going to be. And I like to make some long broken lines right down the tail too, and along the back, and maybe a few more on the head too. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Giganotosaurus versus the Indominus Rex. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.